Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pretty much blur certain areas on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to right click copy right click paste on the video, and I'm going to select mask, and for instance I want the heart part to be like not blurry, and I'm going to have the rest of the background blurry, and I'm going to feather it out a little bit. I know it doesn't seem like much, but just go to like your video, and then you're going to go to effects, and you're going to go to lens, I think, and you're going to add in blur, and you're going to move it below the other video, and as you can see only some parts of it is blurred out. You can also do it the opposite way, by the way, but this is just how I chose to do it. And you can adjust the feather again if you think the heart shape isn't seen enough, and you can also adjust the blur if you'd like to, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!